Na 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 na.
Hi darlings and welcome back. I am traveling soon, so I will be showing you what's in my suitcase.
First of all, I like making lists, this way I don't forget anything.
My beach towel. I don't know if I will even go to the beach, but it's good to be prepared. And now we start with the presents. I was supposed to go home in December, but my plans got cancelled, so now I am bringing all the Christmas presents with me. I don't travel anywhere without my Massimo Dutti blazer. Cami tops in different colors because they are so versatile and comfortable, and yes, they are all Massimo Dutti. Now we start with my Djerf Avenue collection. That's the must-have miniskirt in grey, the favorite pants in grey, and in black too, of course. My favorite shirt from the Pink Breezy set, which I wear all the time. The most gorgeous dress from H&M's Wildflower collection, another of their linen blend summer dresses, and another one. White jumpsuit from Superdry for those extra hot days. My cute butterfly t-shirt that I got recently from H&M as well. Some sporty tops because I will definitely be going to the gym. My Puma sports bra. And going back to Djerf Avenue, I am of course packing my lavender tube top. It goes with literally everything. Leggings from Oysho for my gym trips. Can't go anywhere without my cozy Massimo Dutti sweater. And one pair of jeans is enough. Adding on some more basic tops. And more presents. My aunt actually wanted me to get these for her dog. My ASOS shorts from Fashion Week. My gym shoes from Adidas, a pair of comfy shoes for the everyday, and I am packing them up in a tote bag. Swimming suits don't take much space, so I am taking them with me just in case. Flip-flops, these are so cute, they're from Jack Wheels. And I will wrap them all up in my Djerf Avenue tote bag, which I will most likely use as a gym and or a beach bag. More doggy presents, those are Hawaiian shirts. And we begin with the bags. This one is by Anna Lucchini and I love it to bits. I actually like using dust bags to store my bags. Orange shoulder bag from Mango, the black one is from Topshop, pink one is DKNY, and again in a dust bag. And that's us ready for the journey, or at least that side of the luggage. So I'm ready with this part of the luggage, and in this part it's gonna be basically empty if I end up buying something or I don't know. So what I will be putting here is another bag, my yoga mat. I wanna get my hat as well, like I don't know if I'll end up being at the beach, but just in case, you never know. And also if we go to a swimming pool or something where there's like sun, I like to be shaded, so that's why I'm gonna keep that. And I basically just do this, like I stuck something in here so I keep it in shape, and I'm gonna just place it here. More presents, more presents. My luggage is presents this year basically. So let's talk liquids now. I have two bags, one of them is gonna go into my carry-on luggage and the other one is gonna go in the big one. So let's begin with what I'll bring with me on the big one. So this one is one of my favorite wash bags because it's like transparent and I really like the black leather, and it's actually from Givenchy perfume and it's very old, and I found it by mistake in I think my mom's wardrobe or something, and I took it and I love it. Let's see what I have inside. So first of all, those hair clips that I got from Zara because I want to have like cute hairstyles and I love these ones. I have a lipstick, another lipstick, and another lipstick. So this one is red, this one is like nudie lipstick, and this one is my favorite. It's from Dior and it's like red again. I'll probably get more from the Dior ones eventually. Lip balm, I'm gonna bring Fenty Beauty with me. One of my favorite concealers, I cannot go without it. A lip pencil, and this one is my Clinique blush, and this two is basically Fenty Beauty, and I'm using them only as eyeshadow. So yeah, this one you have probably already seen a few times, and it's very natural, very nice. And this one has like a more natural one, it's like very similar, and this one is light blue, and I just like putting it as eyeshadow because it's cute. Let's see what I have in my other bag. So in here I have my all-time favorite Dior eyeliners, the brown and the black one. They still haven't finished, so I'm still using them. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel, the transparent one that everybody loves and now I love as well. I have my favorite concealer. This one is the what was it called, Maybelline's eraser. So that one is my ultimate favorite, so that's why it's going with me everywhere. And of course a hand sanitizer, because we know why. And this one is an eyebrow pencil, but I don't actually use it anymore. I just use like the brushy bit so I can like fix my eyebrows a little bit. Hair claw, because I use them very often. My headband, I use it very often as well. One of the lipsticks I have taken with me, that's my favorite one. It's from Fenty Beauty again, and it's a bit messy, but that's the one. It's like very natural color, like nudie reddish. It's a bit reddish but on the nude side, so it's very nice. Cheeks Out, and Cheeks Out, is that how it's called? Yeah, Cheeks Out Fenty. That's my favorite blush at the moment because it's a bit neutral, it's not so pink, but every once in a while I combine it with the Clinique stick as well. And because we are gonna sleep in London for a night, because we have like attached flights, I'm bringing my moisturizer gel with me. This one is from Yves Rocher. And yeah, my Clinique one finished, so I'm very sad. It's actually better than this one, but I really like this one as well, so that's what I'll be using now. And I have my refillable perfume thingy, which I'm gonna fill up with my favorite perfume, and it's gonna last me for the whole trip, so that's perfect. And I'll be also taking this one with me. It's the Elvive Extraordinary Oil, and it's my ultimate favorite, as you already know. And shampoo and conditioners I'm not gonna take with me, I'm just gonna buy it when I get there, because why not? I actually want to try some Bulgarian brands for like shampoos and conditioners, just to see how it is, how it goes. I have heard a lot of good things about them, so I'm gonna give them a try. And that's that. And I think that will be me ready to go. So I just came back from the store, and I just want to show you what else I'm gonna put in my luggage. So first of all, I didn't have any socks. I have no idea where they have disappeared, so I went to Tesco and I bought like 7 pairs of cotton socks, which are very cute, by the way. Like, look at that. I got them from like the kids section, so they're like for little girls. It's for girls aged between 6 and 9 years. I'm almost there, but they're very cute, and it says like Monday, then you have Tuesday. It's like 7 pairs, so for each day of the week. How cute is that? So I got socks because I don't have any. What else did I get? I got Nivea sun protection because that's my favorite, and I do have like allergic reaction towards the sun every once in a while. Like, it just gets red over here, so that's why I love buying this one. And in Bulgaria the prices are so much higher. I don't know why, I don't get it, so that's why I decided to purchase this one from here. And that's the packaging. I really like it. It's like, it has no smell or anything, and it does say on it for sensitive skin, and it's sun allergy protection, so it's exactly what I need. It's done and tested, so I love it to bits. And the other thing that I got is the Protect and Bronze, what was it called? the Nivea Sun, and yeah, that's just in case I go to a swimming pool, if I go to the seaside or whatever, or if I'm just going outside and it's like very sunny, which I'm pretty sure it will be. And I just wanted to get this one and be protected at all times. So yeah, I'm gonna add them now to the luggage and go and eat something.